we got another package. Alright, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from whatacountry, so feel free to check them out at whatacountry.com. A large variety of items. Let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And this is a big box, so let's go ahead and open it up. It's well taped. There's going to be a manifest or not. We'll find out. You can see we got paper on the top. Long loop snake type. You need a paper snake or two. And here's our manifest. Without doing a total dots here. Whatacountry. There you go. Alright, so let me see here. So we ordered 3 slings. Let's see if we can identify these through process of elimination. I am not an expert on slings, so I'm probably going to botch this. These two look very similar, so I'm assuming this one will be an M14 Sling Nylon. You see it's got metal fittings, sling attachment points. Looks like it needs some cleaning, so I'm not going to take it out of the bag at the moment. Sorry. Let me just say the price is right. Let's see. These two, this one definitely shows some oxidation, so I'm not taking that out of the package. But what we have here are 2 versions of the K98 Mauser Sling, and one is IMI Original. So figure out their manufacturer. They are leather. You can see that. This one looks older because of the condition of the leather, I can tell, and this level of oxidation, which is very cool looking, I can say. But I will try to probably clean it up just a little bit. It looks like there's a little bit of oxidation in here too. I can see in this packaging. Oh yeah, look at the buckle on this one. That one's way. Got some serious oxidation. There must have been some moisture trapped in here at some point, breathing it out of the leather, and probably through years of storage. So again, K98 Mauser Slings. Next, we're going to have an M1A M14 Combination Tool. This one out. It's got to be some cleaning too. So you might be able to see the lettering there on there. Combination tool, and then part number, ASSY number, all the mounting points for assembling various bolts and rods, assemblies, etc. Alright, moving along here. East German AK4 cell magazine pouch, 30 round, style A. 2 of them. So I got a matching style A being the gray as opposed to not sure what the other color would be. Green, possibly? Or leather, possibly, might be the other one. So you can see how they would fit four. It's 4 cells. 1, 2, 3, 4. Likewise, this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, this one's a little bit more bluish than this one. This one's definitely all gray. Well, that's kind of cool. One of each. Only slightly different color-wise. May not even show up on camera. They might under UV light. So we shall see. Alright, moving along. Getting to the bottom item here, we have an... Oh my god, this is actually kind of heavy. It is an AK47 bayonet training rifle Eastern Bloc. It even comes with its own sling. Metal, well, rod there. Ooh, it's even got a little bead sight. Well, nothing in the back. Pretty much a full stock. No butt plate, but drilled through sling. And metal fitting. Yep. Steel. Wooden attached magazine, that doesn't come off. And that's about all the metal that's on this thing. And then this is the, I guess, bayonet training device thing that goes over this. Over that bead sight thing. And it's kind of like this cane plunger thing, so you can go practice your stabby on that. Very interesting. That's steel. This is a rubber bottom. Huh. Very cool. So let's see if we get this out of the way. So working our way backwards, we got the East German AK 4-cell magazine pouch, 30 round. And we also had, of course, the AK-47 bayonet training rifle Eastern Bloc. We got 2 of these pouches, by the way. We also had the M14 Combination Tool, 2 of the K98 Mauser Slings. One is an IMI original. Got the wrong one there. There we go. These are the leather ones. And then let's start off with an M14 Sling Nylon. These all came from whatacountry.com. Feel free to check them out. Got a large variety of items. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage Mauser tools and other expanded topics. We also do a selection of book review, media reviews, and also a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.